Oh yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh, well, don't look away. About to hit them tires. I gotta adjust that wheel.
I'm gonna go. You coming?
Go ahead.
Gear up, flaps up.
Why are you wobbly and shit?
I don't know. It just is.
Oh yeah, now.
I don't like it with all those cars here.
Yeah, it's kind of weird.
That's alright. We're used to Baylands.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Definitely downwind.
Yep.
That's cool.
Love the sound this fan makes.
Yeah. See if I can do some touch and goes.
Alright, I'll be behind you.
91 degrees Fahrenheit.
I'm gonna do them without flaps because of that weird shit that it does.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear down. Landing flaps.
Maybe I gotta put flaps on. Shit, it's sped up like crazy.
Flaps up.
Alright, I'm doing another one. Here comes Ran.
Flaps up. Gear up. 30 seconds.
I'm climbing up. I'm doing a split S and coming back the other way.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time expired.
What's your voltage?
21.9 on the load. I think it's better. I don't like the closeness to 84 though. No, there is a fence between the freeway and the.
Oh, hey. Caltrans coming through. Hold. Stay high.
Huh?
Caltrans, stay high.
That's
Diesel.
your definition of staying high, Frank. Scrapping his exhaust pipe. Just checking out what he's up to. So the road is wider there, smoother, and I think the wind direction is probably going to be better as well. And there is a fence between the road and the freeway.
1 minute.
So
Okay.
if you fly facing in towards the, you should be fine.
Yeah.
Are you landing right?
Yeah.
Flaps up.
Oh, I just stopped.
Why?
Because I don't have telemetry, and I've flown these batteries too far once before. The 30 and 40C I've got no issue going over, but the 55 and 60 I don't trust them.
Will be mud deep in batteries?
No, that was the last one. These are the high heavy duty. The mud skippers went first. That wasn't a bad day. All right.
This, in the other part of the